Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview natural chemistry metal-free. What is natural chemistry metal-free? Natural chemistry's metal-free enables pool and spa owners to eliminate dissolved metals that cause staining of pool surfaces and water discoloration, all without adding phosphates. Metals such as iron, copper, magnesium, and manganese can cause serious staining of pool and spa surfaces, but metal-free easily removes them no matter the pH level or temperature of your system. Product benefits: phosphate-free. Powerful formula chelates iron, copper, and other trace minerals. Protects against surface staining and water discoloration caused by metals in pool water. Protects against calcium and mineral scale buildup. Usage directions. Application method: sprinkle in water around pool perimeter. Do not add through skimmer. When to use: when pool is first filled, at the beginning of the pool season, at the season's end. Maintenance: add 1 capful, 4 ounces, per 10,000 gallons every week. This is extremely important for pools with high metal content. Dosage: initial dose: 32 fluid ounces per 20,000 gallons of water. Routine maintenance: 4 fluid ounces per 10,000 gallons of water per week. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.